looking at here is your stock bike. This is the bike that customers will be able to buy, and they'll be available around springtime next year. £9,795 will buy you this bike.
Yeah.
You can look at booking test rides on that now. So it's the TF250-X. The F stands for 4 strokes. That's Triumph 4 strokes.
Okay.
Now this is, as I say, this is your standard item. Now in addition to that, also what we're all launching, there should be around 300 by next year, a dedicated motocross dealers, and we've got a 24/7 spare supply. So if you can order replacement parts or spares direct from the track, if you wish. And we've got an express delivery service. Of course, we obviously have the standard and click and collect.
Will you be able to buy these actually in the normal Triumph dealer, or are they specialist dealers?
Then my understanding at the moment is these are going to be through a dedicated dealer network,
right?
Which we've got in Europe, Australia, and America.
Yeah. Okay. And this bike over here, this one's a little bit tricked up, isn't it? This is the one with all the
this has got
the goodies on it.
That's
really.
Right. This has got quite a number of accessories on it. I mean, the world-class exhaust there.
The Acropolis,
That's right. Absolutely stunning piece of engineering with that titanium exhaust. The other thing is, if we look at the front of the bike on the suspension, we've got the whole shot. And that's to be able to lock the front forks into a compressed position when we're launching the bike off the line.
Yeah.
So that holds the front down, stops that back wheel from scooting underneath you and having you off. And then, of course, when you hit that first bump, it releases.
And do you mind just giving us an idea of what that is?
Then basically what that is when you're at the start, obviously it's extremely noisy, and what that allows for you to do is that allows you to link the launch control with the traction control, and the LED settings that you can see on the front there. That allows the rider to have a look at what the performance the engine is set at.
So he's getting it to about peak rev, ready to go.
You get it at optimum level
to get away quickly.
100%. And also on this one we've got a different seat and seat cover. So as I say, it just keeps you on board with a little bit more.
What you don't mind me asking? What's the key weight of this bike?
The weight of a standard bike is 104 kilo, and the size of the tank is 7 litre.
7 litres. We're not actually Triumph aren't officially disclosing the power figure at the moment, are they?
Well, I mean, to be honest, as I say, I'm not aware of it myself. But if you have a look on the Triumph Media website, then there's a lot of details.
We'll take a look. I'll see if I can find that out.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's the key fact. Really appreciate you spending the time and giving us a bit of this information.
It's been lovely to take you around. Phenomenal to have the bike with us.
Oh, it's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Great to try for making it. Thank you very much.